Hey everyone, it's your time to shine and transform your life with the power of good habits. So, what exactly are good habits? Well, good habits are behaviors that are beneficial to our physical, mental, and emotional health. They're the small daily actions that, when consistently practiced, can lead to big positive changes in our lives. Now, why are these habits so important? Good habits help us become the best version of ourselves. They improve our efficiency, make us healthier, and increase our chances of success in various aspects of life. From CEOs to artists, those who've achieved great success often credit their daily routines and disciplined habits for their accomplishments. So, what are some of these powerhouse habits? Well, successful people tend to engage in practices like regular exercise, mindful meditation, continuous learning, and goal setting. These aren't just random activities. They're strategic habits that foster growth, resilience, and happiness. But how do we build these life-changing habits? It starts with setting clear, achievable goals. Break down your big goals into smaller steps and focus on incorporating them into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Repeat your chosen habit at the same time each day to make it stick. And remember, accountability helps, so share your goals with a friend or track your progress in a journal. Let's not forget the simple daily habits that can significantly elevate your well-being. Drink plenty of water, take short breaks during work, practice gratitude, and ensure you get enough sleep. It sounds straightforward, but these basic actions can profoundly impact your happiness and health. In conclusion, building good habits isn't just about making temporary changes. It's about creating a lifestyle that empowers you to live at your fullest potential. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as these habits transform your life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in developing the habits that will lead you to a happier, healthier life. Remember, the journey to building good habits is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and persistence. Set realistic expectations for yourself and celebrate small wins along the way. Each step forward is progress. There will be challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Use them as learning opportunities to grow stronger. Surround yourself with a support system of friends and family who encourage and motivate you. Visualize your success and maintain a positive mindset. Believe in your ability to create lasting change. Regularly reflect on your progress and be open to adjusting your habits as needed to stay on track. The long-term benefits of cultivating good habits are immense. You'll find yourself living a more fulfilling, balanced, and joyful life. And as you transform your life, you'll inspire others to do the same. Be a role model for those around you. Remember, the journey of self-improvement and habit building is lifelong. Embrace it with enthusiasm and dedication. So take the first step today. Start building those good habits and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Here's to your success.